front of me is POCO C71, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off autocorrection. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this icon over here at the top of it. Then hit text correction and scroll to use this switcher next to autocorrection. If you don't have suggestion strip over here, you can also access the same settings by going into Devices Settings app, scrolling all the way down and clicking on System. Now tap on Keyboard, on-screen keyboard and Gboard. Following that, access text correction again and use the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!